So hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna tell you how you can edit like Algrow. His video mainly consists of a background, stock footage, voiceover and some crazy text. So in this video we will be creating some crazy text like Algrow. For that you need two apps, Pixellab and Kindmaster. Now open Pixellab and now create a new text and name it Algrow because I'm making a tutorial, so I'm writing Algrow. Now click on OK. Now go in the background panel and change the image size height to 16 by 80. That means the image will be so long. Now change the font to you will get a link to the new font in the description, Dameron, Semitel and Dameron Autiel. So first of all you need to take Semitel one and click on OK. Now center, align it in the center. Now duplicate this one and put it just below it, and now change its font to, now first go in font, now change its font to Dameron Autiel. So it will be like a hollow effect. Okay, now you understand what you need to do. We need to put alternate text line by line below, means below the fill text and outline text, and outline के नीचे fill text. Okay, now change the background to transparent. Now save it as image. Obviously we will select ultra quality and save it to gallery. Now close this ad. Now open Kindmaster. In Kindmaster create a new project, and I am taking a background footage as he takes a stock footage, and over that I am taking a black background. So layer, media and image assets and a black background. Now increase the size to the screen size. And now go in blending modes and change the opacity to almost 50. It will give a dark tone to the video. Now we need to take a text layer which we have made in Pixellab and now scale it up. And drag it down. Now click on the key option in the left side and drag it where you can't see the text. Now go at the end of the video clip, text clip, and drag the clip onto the top. Now it will give a cool animation look. See, the video is almost complete, but if we add an overlay then it will look really cool. So I am adding a template of glitchy screen or old retro style theme which Algrow uses very frequently, and go in blending option and change the blending mode to screen and reduce the opacity to 40. And now you have learned how to edit like Algrow, and now you can make really cool effects like Algrow. So if you enjoy this video, make sure that you like and do comment if you want more videos like this. So thank you for watching, take care and goodbye.